Hello beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'm doing a cute pink look for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I'm doing this because my manager said that she never seen me do my makeup, so I decided to just go in with this. So of course this video was done on the first day of October. I just haven't had the time to really post. And I'm going in with a darker pink, and I'm stamping it into place and then blending it out. And when I'm blending out, I'm making sure I lightly blend out because I don't want that to really fade as much. I want that darker pink to stay in that outer corner as much as possible. And I'm going to go in with a little more of that pink just so it can be a lot darker, as well as diffuse some of that pink towards the crease. So when I go in and cut my crease, you can still see some of that pink. I'm going to do the same steps on the opposite side. And for the cut crease, I like to go in with a little bit of concealer close to my lash line and then look up. That will create a guide, and you can follow that along the way. This is easy for the ones that struggle with cutting a crease. You don't have to do it this way if you don't want to, but it makes it a lot easier. And then you just go ahead and fill in everything that needs to be filled in. I did not have to do this step because the pink that I'm using anyway would have covered the rest of the lid, but I just so it can show through a little more. And while I'm blending that out, making sure that I tap to kind of dry that concealer down a little bit, because for this one I'm not going to go in with any like translucent powder or anything to dry it down. I'm going back into that darker pink to kind of clean up that edge just a little bit. And now I'm taking a pink that's closer to the shade of my shirt, and I'm just tapping that all over the concealer, making sure I kind of build that color up a little bit so that it shows through enough. And you want to make sure that you take your time when doing this so you don't have to redo everything all over again. I prefer to do my brows and then my eyes before doing the rest of my face, because you never know what fallout might drop down from your eyeshadow, so you want to make sure that you do your eyes first, if that's what you choose. And after I'm done with that other pink, I like to just take another brush and blend out those colors so they can kind of blend together. And then I'm going to go back in with that darker pink just so that outer edge don't kind of fade in with that other color too much. But I do want it to kind of blend a little bit. And you should have something like this. And now I'm going to go in with a shimmer color, and I'm just going to apply that on top of that lighter pink, not all the way through, just a little bit, because I really want that to kind of show through. Again, I always go off of inspiration for what I'm wearing, so I'm going kind of off of the shirt that I'm wearing, on top of, again, it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And I popped on some lashes, and now I'm just going to do the rest of my face, and I'm going to let y'all just watch the rest of the video. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I did make it, and I will see you in the next one.